Welcome to Quilt Traditions. Mommy just loves her new denim quilt. It's made from countless old jeans that were collected from family, friends, and subscribers. It took months to debone them and sew them back together again. They are 16-inch blocks, and the quilt is 112 inches wide by 96 inches long. The whole process took 9 months. The backing is a royal blue with off-white stitching. It's an awesome old recycled quilt with amazing long arming, double-sided because of the stitching. Mommy's bed is a raised king-side 4-poster bed, and she just had her 93rd birthday. I wasn't able to get the quilt finished in time for that, but shortly thereafter. She just loves it. The Queen Mom is so happy. I do anything for her. We love her so much. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.